Dear all, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, your instructor Ibrahim Abu Hasanin, and we'll work in this session on isometric drawing using AutoCAD. We have this model and we'll work on it. This model consists of the base, we have arc here, we have cylinder with cut, and we have two webs. So I'll start sketching this arc and going down to have this part of the base. Let's go. Here's my AutoCAD. To switch to ISO, I switch from here. This is 2D and this is ISO. Click here and you can see the cursor is changing. By hitting F5 at your keyboard, you are changing from ISO planes. Can you see here the right isoplane, this is left isoplane top, and this is left, or front, side, and top. So we will work on the front view. In order to do that, let us draw a vertical construction line. This is a vertical construction line anywhere, and I'll need a line from here there. Of course, you have to have your ortho on. If you don't have it, it will rotate all around this point. So I'll take the ortho on by F5, so it will draw me a line parallel to the axis. This is my center line. Okay. As I told you, in ISO drawing, there is no offset, there is no holes, no fillet, no chamfers. Everything will create it manually. So let's go back to our object and see. We have a circle here by R22. In ISO, any circle tends to ellipse, but not ellipse. We'll draw it as an ISO circle. Okay, so let's go here, click the axis. This is my center. I can't hit the center now because I have to choose. Is it an arc, ellipse, or center, ellipse, or ISO circle? You have to choose ISO circle. Click here. Now it asks for the radius. If you have a diameter, you can click D and give the diameter. Our radius here, if we can see it, it's 22, and we have the other one is 14. So I'll hit 122. This is the first. Didn't take 22, I think. It takes 20, as I see here. Something wrong goes, then I'll do it again. Enter ISO circle here, 22. Okay. Something wrong goes here. I don't know what's this. What we did again. ISO circle here and 22. Okay, so this is wrong one. Take it and delete it. Okay, again ISO circle. Of course, I pinned this here. You can click this here to pin to make it all the time open because we use it too much times. I'll click ISO circle again. Don't forget to click ISO circle and here and give it 14. So this is my part of my arc. Shall I trim? Yes, trim at this part here. Enter and take the down part of my circle. Let us create a construction line vertical, one here and one there, and one here and one there. What shall we do now? We'll go down to our base. The distance from the center to the base is 30 and the base is 10. So I'll take a copy. This is a copy, or you can hit CO on your keyboard. Copy this one down, 30. Enter, enter, and this one copy. Repeat copy. Okay. Okay. Enter. From here down. Oh my God. Again. Copy. CO. Enter. From here down 10. Okay. First, what? We have this one, it reaches down. Okay, and we have 90. So we have 45 there and 45 there. Let's go back. First we'll take this one from here as a line, okay, down. Again, this one down, and copy. There's no offset as I told you. The middle line, enter, to the right. Again, to the right 45, and to the left 45. Okay, it's too much, I think. I don't know what's this. Again, copy. Let's do it. Copy this one, okay, to the right 4 5, start, okay, to the left 4 5. Something wrong goes on here. Let's take these all, delete this one, delete, be precise, copy this one, enter, to the right 4 5, to the left 4 5. Okay, let's draw our front. Then from here down there, down there, and again from here there, up here and up. This is my first part. 90, then 45 here, 45 here. We have 22 and 14. Fine. Can we draw our center lines? Before we get rid of these, we can draw our center lines from here, there. Again, center line from here down. Let us get rid of these and to see what we have. So this is our part. Hit 5 now, and the length of my part is 110. So I can go here and line from here there 110 down 10 and close. Okay, and this one will go from here somewhere, and I'll trim, enter, enter. I'll take this off. Again, we have a line here. It goes somewhere down there. Trim, enter, enter. I'll take this off. So this is my base with the arc. Let us go to isoplane. What we'll have? We have our mid from here. This is my mid. Okay, and we have another one. Where is it? Let's draw a line in order to have the mid on. This is the purpose. 90. And go, I have a construction line again from the mid in order to have the center of my cylinder. The center of my cylinder. Tag, the cylinder is R30 and it goes up by 66. Again, isocircle here, here, 30, and copy this one, enter. Let us change the plane from here, and 66 up again from here and go up 14. Okay, good. Then how can we determine now where this intersection of cylinders will be? We have intersection of cylinders, this cylinder with this cylinder. We have it here. How can we guess where do they intersect? We can't tell. So we have to take this line there when intersects with this cylinder and take it up. Okay, let's go. Let's take a construction line from where? From here. Okay, yeah, but we have to change our isoplane, so I need it there. Okay, delete. This is the intersection. Let's take this out. This is the intersection between the arc and the cylinder. Okay, so I'll have a line, vertical line from here there. No, the intersection, I need it. Yes, delete. And where's the beginning of the 5? Sorry, intersection line. Okay, where's the beginning of my arc? It will be here, and the end of my line. So they will intersect where? Here, somewhere here. Okay, let's take a copy of this arc from here and put it here. Line goes down to here. Again, line from the quadrant to the quadrant. Trim, enter, and take this out. Now line from the quadrant down. Trim, enter, and take this out. So this is my intersection of cylinder. This is my intersection of cylinder. This part I won't see it there, so I'll have to trim it, trim this line, enter, and take this out. I have a line here, there. This way I draw the intersection of two cylinders. I intersect this one with the base and take it up with this one and copy my arc there and continue it. Good. Let's get rid of this. What we have? We have a web here somewhere. Let's draw this web and cutting. Again, construction line from the center. F5, of course, we need the top. ISO, this one, and this one. Copy. By 7. To the right 7. To the left 7. This is my 14. And copy this one. 36 there. 36 there. Why? This is the 36 here, 36 there, and 7 here, and 7 there. We have our web. We have our web. Okay, let's go back. Good? Good. Copy. What we need? We need these 14. 1, 2. We take them from here and put them in the center of this one. This is the center. Why? You will see now. Let's draw lines now. Intersection of the cylinder. This is my web. Let's take this out. Okay. My web from here, there, there. Again, my web where? From here, there, here, and there. And where it goes down. Now it goes from here down, and from here, that's why I take a projection to the base. Okay, good. So how can they go down there? I don't know. What shall I do? I'll take these all out. I'll take construction line. I have my base. Where is my base? This is my base. So my web from the other side will go from here down where? To the intersection. And the other side I won't see it. Can you see? How can I determine this one? So I trim now by what? By this one. Enter. I'll take this out. Let us continue on the other part of our video. See you there.